technology is always expanding and growing. This is how I restore my car headlights. If you want your headlights restored, you can reach me at 216-396-8469. I only charge $50 per light, and it lasts 3 years. Also, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, I also sell the kits. So, if you're interested, again, you can reach me at 216-396-8469. I believe that if you feed a man fish, he will depend on you for his survival. But if you teach a man how to fish, he can feed his family. Learn how to do things on your own. Peace and have a blessed day. Your brother, Kabir.